I'm excited for the performance.
Nothing like that.
Wait,
Something
what?
stupid. Something stupid.
Are you really filming?
I'm really filming.
One, two, three, jump!
Hello guys! At yung kami kay Keng Banyo na ning Marriott. So far, okay yun. Malinis lang rin towels. Okay la silver la rin karelang fixtures.
Bana kami, bana.
So both sides ating towel. Symmetrical. Nice. Good job, good job. May urinals. Okay naman.
Stuya height.
Kuya height. Wow. So far, good job. Good review. Anthony, the great Paolo Galiciano. Ito nangyari ka rin mamangan na. Kung naman balo na nini. Sigurado ko talaga yun na nini. Ini man natin dyan, kingwa niya ka po. Balo ko niya ako kanya. May lagi yun. Ako na, di ba? As a certified ba na, atin pang metong Kenny nga.
Vlog yan? Vlog yan. Ay, may balot kaya, Bemi, oh.
Balo na na niya Kenny.
Ayos may coat ko. Pareho kami kilo. Bright minds of the same feather have the same mother.
Clark Marriott.
What?
Manguha kami, ay nakabimi. Voltaire. Ito ko rin the best wedding planner Kenny. Pero sigurado ko rin tatala ng Pudeno Balo Lagyu. Wala naman may kabalunan lang rin. Gravity of the galaxy. The only friend. Ano kasi sinabi yung partner ng order mo?
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay.
Chardonnay. It's white.
Ito pa nito. Same po. Ini ako na, di ba? Ali, kaya muna yung kanu sisingilan si Puring. Diyan 5 hektarya. Manalakad sari-sari store. Wah. Kata Mustang. Ali. Pakilo mo na lang. Salasalaban lang. Wah. Kaya, kisi ko. Ay, pare.
Cheers. And tables.
Social climb.
Extreme sports. So, ito lang yung sinerve Kenny. Very exotic. Yeah. So, sabi kaya ka dapat susobra 1.5 na nini. So, nung mangwa ka nga dwa, managang ka dapat kapit na. Nanyo tingnan?
Waffle egg.
Kwek. We're here at Marriott, rubbing elbows with Aryan. Literally, figuratively, and... So what can you say about this event?
Are you really filming or no?
I'm really filming.
Yeah,
I don't believe you.
yeah.
I'm excited for the performance.
Like that.
Wait,
Something
what?
stupid. Something stupid.
Are you really filming?
I'm really filming.
I mean, like, I'm not supposed to eat, but I'm eating.
Okay, there. That's Aryan. Not supposed to eat, but eating. So, cho kami kayo ni uling tayo. Yung may kasalanan na niya, cho kami kayo ni.
Minsan na mag-vlog ka ng gano'n, magka-crash ka ng party. Oh my God, dude! Off the record!
Like what we did right now.
Bad influence! Bad influence. So, pwedeng hindi mo man kami in-invite? Baka hindi mo kami invited, ha? Sumasok lang kami, ha? So, kaya rin nga ganaga ng sosyalan.
Sabi
Balik
ni
kay
Lex kukunin
Morissey.
ka ni si Aldi.
Agay. Stop.
Cheers.
Good looking ladies. We have a lot of food. We have a lot of food stations, a lot of drinks. Baka naman natin si Bruno. Bruno, I want to ask you, who are you going to bring for dinner?
I'm sorry?
Kasi it's for 2 people. So of course you're not going to eat by yourself, right? So who are you going to bring?
I'm gonna bring my boyfriend.
Ay, may boyfriend pala. Grabe, ikaw naman. So hindi ako ikikiss mo ha, si boyfriend. Oh, boyfriend ka. Wow. Congratulations, Bruno.
Pal.
God! Di ba ikaw yung boyfriend? Wow naman! O sino naman ang dadalhin mo, Kevin? Mag-English tayo. Who are you gonna bring to dinner?
I was planning to bring him, but I plan to bring you instead.
Oh, me? Oh my God! It's okay. I will have dinner with you if you invite me, if I'm free. Why did you choose me?
Well, that's a very loaded question, Rufa. Thank you very much. But I choose you because of world peace. It's really hard right now for me, you know, it's my family.
Okay, Kevin, you can be an actor. Palakpakan naman natin si Kevin. Pwede ka mag-showtime, ha? Isin kasi Paolo eh. We have another winner.
Lakat salamat kang JB.
Ikan mami yata yan eh. Kaya ako sigurado nung yung may nagkat.
Eh ako may sigurado nung invited kami talaga. Pero basta at Chuya, okay kami muna. Salamat. Salamat. Star-studded. Sana yung audio ko okay. Sabi na akala ko Keng mic eh. Lia. Sigurado Lia. Ano kasi yan?
Ice tea.
Ew.
Joke. Oh, hindi. Vodka cranberry.
Ew. Haba ng pangalan.